Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you how to hook up to a UV9R radio and stick your UV5R frequencies onto it. So, first thing you want to do is click on the little window and get into your device manager. So, click on that, start typing. Device manager will pop up. My cord is already plugged in. And my radio's on. If I unplug it, you'll see that COM10 disappeared. Plug it back in. COM10 popped up. So I can see that my radio is on port 10. Click on Start again. Start typing Chirp. Bring up Chirp. And then click on Radio. Download from radio. And then a little window pops up. You select the proper port, which you already looked at. You select the model number. I was using the 5R. I'm using the 9R Plus now, but you won't find the 9R Plus on this list. You will find UV82WP though, and the UV9R can talk to your computer using that setting. So you hit OK. The radio has to be on, by the way, and on a channel that isn't very chatty. There we go. And as you can see in here, I've already populated all of the slots here. But how I did that was File, Recent. Let's say I wanted to stick my tone squelch test on there. Click on the first one after you open it up. Go to the bottom one. Click Shift on your keyboard and hold it. Left click again on your mouse. That'll highlight everything. Let go of Shift. Right click. Copy. Go back to what you cloned off your radio. Click on the first spot. That was a left click. Now right click, hit paste, and hit all for overwrite. And that'll put all of the frequencies that you want on here. Then you go upload to radio. And a little window will pop up. Make sure it's on the right port, 10, which we checked earlier. The right model, hit OK. And it'll clone all these to the radio. This tone and squelch test is something I put together to scan through all of the channels. Well, for this frequency, I didn't know the tone or the cease or the squelch or the DTCS. Anyway, I had a radio I couldn't talk to, and it was really frustrating me. And I knew the frequency, but I didn't know what privacy sub-frequency it was using, so I made this. And that's also why I got the UV9R, so that I could actually scan for these secondary frequencies, because that's an option on this radio that I'm going to figure out later. But now I've gone and gotten rid of all of my frequencies again, so you get to see me do this again. So you go to File and open what's recent for me is what I want, the Baofeng Peter image. So this is off my 5R. These are all the frequencies I can use at work. Mostly backroad stuff. Click on the first one. Go all the way down. Click and hold Shift. Click on the last one. Right click. Left click on Copy. Go back to the UV9R radio. Click on the first frequency. Right click. Paste. Overwrite all. And then you can upload to your radio again. Little window will pop up, and you just double click that double check that it's still on the right port and it's on the right radio, and then you hit OK. And that's how you get all of your frequencies off of your UV5R onto your UV9R using Chirp. I hope you found this useful. Goodbye, YouTube.